What's up, guys? So it's Summer here from RandomSomzie. Today I'm going to the Big Goose Children's Farm with my sister Charlize from Baby Once Forever and my dad. And it's going to be real fun. And it's called Big Goose. And there is heaps of activities there. So there is petting barn, tire maze, pony ride, tractor ride, adventure park and mini golf. And yeah, sorry guys, so we're at the Big Goose. And yeah,
We're going to petting barn.
so we're here. And yeah, so I'm going to turn the camera off and we're really filming there and stuff like that. Bye.
Hi guys, it's